It's me, Maverick Lee. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then subscribe now. It's very important that I get your subscription because I'm a small channel just starting off and I need encouragement to keep producing more content like this for you all. I've been doing this channel for a while now and it's getting very difficult with all the algorithms and AI out there. So with that being said, let's get straight to it. Today, I have something super cool for you. I have scar tape. Now, many of you out there watching this might not even be aware that you can get such thing as scar tape. Well, I'm here to show you that you can. So this right here comes in a small box, as you can see. I have to be honest, I thought it was going to be in a much bigger box and I thought I was going to be getting a bigger roll of scar tape. I didn't think they would be so stingy like this, but yeah, it comes in a small box. As you can see, you open it, you get a small roll inside, and this is it. So basically just a roll of tape, and there you can see that's the scar tape on the adhesive tape there, and you just get some scissors, you choose your length, whatever length you need to cover your scar, whether it's this way or whether it's this way, and then you just simply cut it like this. And then when you get it, you just peel it away from the actual tape as so. Let me show you. Can you see? Like this. And then you just simply apply it on top of your scar tissue. This right here will basically act as a second layer of skin. Now, why is that important? It's important because it will hydrate your scar tissue, and that's what your scar needs. It needs hydration. And also, it will encourage more collagen in your scarring. So this is how your scarring over a period of time will eventually reduce in size. Now, how long are you supposed to do this for? You're supposed to do it for 3 to 4 months, and you're supposed to apply it every day for that period of time too. Now, you have to be aware when you do go and bathe, get showered and washed, you have to remove it and take it off, and you have to then replace it with brand new scar tape. So yes, it's a long period of time, but great things do not come easy and they do not come fast. So you have to stick with the program, give it 3 to 4 months and see if you start noticing any improvements in your scarring. This can also help prevent larger scars from appearing. Again, because of the collagen that this encourages in your scarring, this can reduce the actual size of the scar on the outside of your skin from getting any bigger. And yeah, this is the one for you. So if you like this product review, give me a like down below. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. So get yourself to the shop if you've got a scar, or if you know somebody with a scar, and get them this. You could even get this as a little gift, and I'm sure they'd really appreciate that because a lot of thought went into it, and it shows the person with the scar that you were actually thinking about them and are trying your best to help. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.